How to search and place a museum pass reservation. You can search by museum, date, or library. We will search by museum in this example, but the process is similar for the other search methods. If you're on the home page, select the By Museum button under How would you like to search for a museum pass? No matter what page you are on, you can always navigate to a different type of search by clicking on one of the icons in the upper right of your screen. Click the museum icon to search by museum. Click the calendar icon to search by date. Click the location icon to search by library. A list of museum passes will appear under Which museum would you like to visit? Click Learn More under each museum button to display information that will help you make your decisions, such as location, how many people the pass admits, and a link to the museum's website. If there is a small printer icon displayed on the button, that means the pass is printable. Once you have made a decision, click on that museum's button. Next, you will see a list of available dates. The default display is a list of dates, but if you click on the calendar icon next to Which date would you like to check out? You can see available dates in calendar form. Click on the date of your choice. Select a date by clicking on that date's button. The next screen will ask you, which library would you like to reserve from? Click the button at the bottom of the screen with the library's name and address on it. You will be taken to the Is this information about you correct page. Confirm that your information is correct, then click the Yes button. Next, the Does everything look correct? Page will appear. Pay special attention to the date of use and method. The two methods are Printable pass. Simply print out the pass at home and bring it with you to the museum. Be sure to confirm availability directly with the museum before your visit, as some dates or special events may not accept library passes. Pick up pass at library. This option requires you to collect the pass from the designated library and return it after use. Click the Yes Place Reservation button to complete the reservation. A printable pass will provide a Print Pass button. Click to print. A physical pass will only provide a print confirmation option. You may take this to the library to pick up your pass. Library staff can also use your library card or confirmation email to look up your reservation. A confirmation email will be sent to your email regardless of the pass type.